Ritkoria 22 mutinyu mutang'ane omwaka w'ekiribu 2025 ritkoria Jumatano Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yowenge Catherine Nyaboga no gochikwena kenga chibicha na Mario ingo kirashia senchira yowekeranu havira kariri kabana ntweko mwero tokomanyanga na raliari aine kiwana na mono cross county Ibere chitu cha guse county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wekera magacha manena ye bunge asomo chyo Nairobi abasa bari kubetwa mangana babekere chikampi cha Chinsa au na kutumanyanga na raliari agendete kwenekyo kuri ndo mwanche muregerere ngo kumanyanga na bogotonyara simetanda yitege jamii Facebook una Getembe FM, YouTube una Getembe TV boyigo bari mu bwata chidekoda cha zuku na mogotonyara channel number 38 erinde munyara ko bwata na gochengera emerobere ya Getembe TV anene mono amangana amanyagose Ekeonga. Karibu sana. Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere togo chigo chaka kurwa sensemo ya marani county ya Kisii magega yechi family inyu chia bangi na babete bagosambwa omwaka bwechire bubere 2020 na gukagirwa koba abarogia sobono ikigambere kenene gya Kisii gose Kisii Lokot imambia ya rero kiana cha ekine igore abakagirwa batato abo babasambete abangi na abo bane ensemeyo ya marani maga yo kubakagira koba abaiti bosi bo mo justice monene ni gobono mugasorero aba batatabo banyorwa na mamacho yo boita sebono babere bakumerwa igisibo k'emyaka 40 na oyomo yubwate emyaka emekasa bonse batato okumerwa igisibo k'emyaka 15.
Kiarie akasema leo ndio atatoa uamuzi wa hukumu. Sasa amewahukumu miaka 40 au watatu, na hiyo kijana yake ambaye ni mtoto yule ambaye alisemekana alitembezwa na hao wachawi akahukumiwa miaka 15. Kwa hivyo tunatoa shukrani kwa serikali yetu kwa vile imefanya uamuzi mzuri, kuangalia vile wengine wajifunze nao pia, kwa kuwa huko nyumbani nao walianza kujigamba wakati walitolewa nje, lakini sasa wameshindwa la kufanya, manake wamefungwa. Ni kuonyesha kuwa nao pia wasifuatilie mambo mengi, wawache tabia mbaya, manake hukumu iliyotolewa leo ilikuwa safi kabisa tena mzuri.
Mwanche muri ya togoska vosi toko genda asirira ya technical and vocational college gose eskuru yobo bundia gose chikosia magoko yarira ya imambia yeritwe ya rero ya chaka kwegeria na gosemia abaro kyo bari berikire ne chikosi cyo mwako yiga 2025 asbono yaborira abaro kyabo kwenyora asibakora na gakoromokia na gochora chikosi ngia ichira chiko bakonya
to communicate to them well and utaweza kusaidika. Hii maisha huwezi ishi peke yako. And the next skill that I have is problem solving. You'll be able to, unaweza pata uko na shida maybe in the finance department. You'll be able to interact with other people to know the person who is in charge hapo.
Make sure you have some safety. Go for it as hard as possible before we start the practicals. We don't want to see you being expelled out of the workshops that you are not in the correct gears. And lastly, I want to encourage you one thing. When you come to Riraya and find yourself, you have moved out with a skill and you have gotten a job outside there, you will be glad. Actually, I know you will remember Riraya because it molded you. And if you walk out with nothing, I know you will not remember Riraya. So understand who you are, where you come from, your background, and then
Na egetambukero ky'omuraibu ensi ya America omugeni oyo igoro omuraibu we 42 korenda osoire ase entunda ya kabiri omusike Donald Trump yokwerutanania n'ekiombe ky'obochenu ensi engima gose World Health Organization ikabona keimukire ebirengerero ao ase bona ababwatani bobochenu gose we sector y'obochenu anene mono korase ekiombe ekyo besokire na kuboria omusike Trump korigerire buya ekerengerere kyae nani asibataire nigo kerashi kwore Maria Chinsemo ao chekiombe kyo kya World Health Organization.
Again, they play a very important role in providing guidelines, in providing technical assistance, in coordinating things like research, which is very important in enabling the whole world to now employ an evidence-based approach.
One healthcare service from the rest of healthcare services. It means organizations that have been providing maternity care, that have been providing other treatments.
One is not safe until all are safe. So I am almost certain that the US probably, when we now unpack those pronouncements, we will be able to see alternative strategies that are intended to now protect the US within the context of a global health architecture. Yeah? If WHO is not functional, the US could be exposed in terms of even pandemics, outbreaks, epidemics arriving into the US. So there must be something which is most likely now along the bilateral lines, which is now being proposed.
Na egetambukero kyo controller we budget omusike omusubati Margaret Nyakango yokoreta osiko chikorusia chibasari che county chikona na abagavana nigo bono chiaretire ebirengero asaba gavana babeire bakwemurunganiria igoro yegetambukero gose ekerengerere kyo omusubati Margaret Nyakango omusubati Gladys Wango yubo igoro omugavana we county ya Homa Bay niga sokire na kumubore asabona ataire chi county basari na chiakonyere na kosomia baro kiwa anene mono bali korwa family chiri kwenyara.
Control of budgets, and I want to tell that controller of budget. This is a concurrent function. And when we give bursaries, it is not necessarily education, it is a social safety net. You control of budget, can you educate all these children whom we have already taken to school now? And this is a community government. We are the government at the lowest level. And therefore we must support our people at their point.
Nabune nchira ya moyo kuyarigania bosibo bachari umwaka wechiri bube 2025 na ibere gose 2027 ni gobona ebyama au byasokire na gochaka korikia ababwatani babo boya ekyama kirigia VDP gose Vibrant Democratic Party ni gobona gyasokira sibona gyachakire korikia abakichikura na abana siasa ase kyamekyo.
VDP wata launch the program ya kuona kwamba katika uchumi yetu ambayo imelala tunaweza kucooperate wale wadhamini ama wa Kenya waanze kuangalia kwamba nchi kianguka hatuna haja kulaumu serikali kuu. Ni jukumu yetu sisi wenyewe kuangalia kwamba uchumi ya nchi iko chini ya wananchi, sio chini ya serikali. Serikali inachangia tu the policy ambayo inaweza kufanya nchi iendelee. Lakini tumeona mambo yanazidi, ama unga inazidi maji, ama maji inazidi unga. Tangu election. Kitu ya kwanza naomba vijana kwa heshima zaidi ile nchi ambayo imekomaa lazima tuache matusi kwa mababa zetu.
Na omuraibu ensi asetaro yaye asensemeri ya Western Kenya ni gwasiri ritukoria kanerero akora etaro yaye kuika ase county ya Busia abu asaika eskuru ya St. Anne's Bunyara Girls na kuchakia oboroso bwagachi bweskuru wibirasi ase eskuru ya St. Anne's bosibo bwagachi obu bosibo kuchakia bwagachi obu nigo muraibu ensi ari ira yogo chikobwatesia sector ya HSM na kwana kyabuna kero umona orensi ya Kenya ngonyarari chisemi kwanjirira konde wanse gotayo.
On Lower Nzoia Irrigation Development Project, we do classrooms for both the primary school and the secondary school here. Your Excellency, we engaged the Ministry of Education and they gave us the designs for both the schools. Here today, Your Excellency, you are going to do a groundbreaking ceremony for the secondary school and the primary school. In the secondary school, Your Excellency, where we are now, you are going to groundbreak for construction of 4 classrooms, 1 library, and 1...
Hi, and you. Good morning. How are you? Very good. Sasa sisi tumefika hapa. Asanteni sana kwa kutukaribisha katika shule yenu ya St. Anne Bunyala Girls na St. Anne Primary School. Is that right? Pusagwa Primary School. Mimi nilikuwa hapa mapema. Na wakati nilikuja hapa wakati huo mwingine, na viongozi wa hapa wakaniuliza ya kwamba wakati tunajenga ile mradi tuko nayo hapa ya mpunga, pia tujenge shule yenu. Na wakati huo nilikubali na nikasema tutasaidia kupanua na kujenga shule hii, ndio watoto zaidi wa sehemu hii wapate mahali pa kusoma, kwa sababu sisi tunaamini watoto wetu ni baraka kwetu kutoka kwa Mungu. Na ni jukumu letu kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila mtoto wa Kenya anapata nafasi.
Wikiraga abo mwanche umurigerero Getembe TV nango chigwekere umwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ritikerigaria Jumatano asenchira yo bwenge korende ayomana yanda mange ninjo ko yaretera asenchira yo bwenge chwika Chinsa ikomi korende Chinsa Ibere ne Chinsa inye chibotko bwarero ninjo ko yaretera asenchira yo bwenge nchenka train Nyaboga maiga yichikamiro twarengenere Wilfred Matundra woigo havira kariri nero koneke chibichana malio ginko goikira chira asenchira yo bwekira no gendra kubwata na gochengera Ibere ya Getembe TV ekogochera sembeo.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Nilan Hub niye moyo chiduka echichiko n'ebintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao, yani furnitures asili golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase chinsamo cha living room mbabwata chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au